Hi guys, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get that perfect intense black smoky eye, which you can get it right every single time with less effort. All the product details are in the description below. So without any further ado, let's begin. Today for priming I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up. It instantly blur my pores and create a flawless base. I am using liquid foundation from Forever 52. These are two shades which I am going to mix and apply it on my face. After dotting it all over my face and neck, I am going to use a kabuki brush to blend my foundation really well. Blending is the key, so you need to blend it really well so it does not look patchy. Then I am using Lakme Compact in Natural Marble to set my base. Today I am using Maybelline NY Fit Me Concealer in 15 Fair. I'm going to apply it on under eye area, upper lip, chin, forehead and bridge of my nose. Now I am going to blend it really nice. I hope you guys enjoying the video. To lightly set everything, I am using Swiss Beauty Mattifying Setting Powder and I am going to apply it where I have applied concealer. I am blending everything with a powder brush. To sculpt my face, I am going to contour. I am using an angled brush to do it. Contouring will give our face a proper shape and a slim look. Now adding some color to my cheeks. For my eyebrows, I am taking this black shade, starting from the middle and going towards the front. Following the same on both the eyebrows. And I like to keep my eyebrows natural. So I am keeping them light in the front. Now taking this very light shade for my transition shade, it should be blended really well. Now I am going to apply this medium brown shade on my crease and I am going to apply the color again and again till I get my desired shade. Blending should be done properly. Now taking this deep brown shade to apply it over my crease to give it more depth. It may take time, but everything should be blended properly. For intense black smoky eyes, I am going to use this black kajal as a base before I apply black eyeshadow. I am instantly going to set it with black eyeshadow. Now taking the deep brown shade and I am going to blend everything together. So this is how it looks. Following the same on the other eye, first I am applying the black kajal and then going to set it with black eyeshadow and then taking the deep brown shade, I am going to blend everything together. So these are smoky eyes, so you need to go from darker to lighter. I am applying black kajal in my upper and lower waterline. I I am going to smoke out with some black eyeshadow to thicken my lash line, and for that I am using a flat definer brush. Using medium brown shade to soften the black in my lower lash line. Before applying mascara, I love to curl my lashes, and now I am using Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. For highlighter, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. Going to highlight my brow bone, nose, cupid bow, cheekbone, chin and forehead. I am having an intense eye look, so going to apply a lighter shade on my lips. So I am applying an orangish brown shade on my lips. To set my makeup in place, I am using Swiss Beauty Long Lasting Makeup Fixer. Wearing my falsies, here's the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is mentioned in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like the video and do support me guys. Share the video with your friends and family. We'll be uploading every Thursdays and Sundays. Don't forget to stay happy. I'll see you soon guys in the next makeup tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye guys.